Alright guys, hey, finally, man, I've been waiting on this for over 2-3 years, maybe 3-4 years. It's been just as long as me trying to get this engine into the engine builder than for this to actually come in. So now I'm just hoping it's the right thing, because she called me, said, "You still want it?" I say, "You're making me smile, you know, you don't know how long." So I'm hoping that this is the intake that I've been waiting for the showstopper. So I ordered a few other parts, but I gotta come in here first now, because if this is the case, I can really go on and paint this up and get it into the engine builder right away. And get the showstopper 350 rebuilt. I got a good 455 engine that I could probably put in there, but I want to go with the 350. I don't know what this is. This is most definitely not the intake. What the? Oh, God. Alright guys. Yeah. Man, you talking about having a high and going all the way down to a low? Well, there's more room in this box. There's not enough room in the bottom of this for an intake. Maybe it is. My God. Alright. Well, I'm going to get all of this stuff out of here. Because when I open these boxes up, this is like from Arizona. I like to get this stuff outside right away. I don't like spiders, poisonous spiders and stuff, so let me get rid of this right away. Alright, so let me see what this is first. Maybe it is the intake up under here. I see the intake gasket. These are the stage 1 valves, guys, for the 455. I got 2 sets now. I bought the one set for the convertible, and then I got a 455 engine that was running. I tore it apart, and I've been thinking about getting the heads redid. But these are stage 1 valves for the heads. Alright, so I will inspect these. Well, let me set them out the way for now. So now, this is not the intake. My God, what did she do to me? Alright, intake gasket set. Maybe that's the intake in the other box. I just thought the intake would be a little bigger, but so far, guys, it's a letdown. I'm telling you, my heart was just, you know, you don't know. I thought this was the intake. Oh my God, why? Alright, so, alright, let me grab this other box and alright, see what's in this other box. Smaller, might be an intake, but oh my God, I tell you. Alright. Alright, so this box is a little bigger, it's a little heavier. Oh my God. It's gotta be the intake, guys. Gotta be the intake. It's been so many years waiting on this bad boy. I just don't know when to open that other box. I thought it was the intake. So I'm on, you know, I got all stage 1 I already have the stage 1 heads and stuff put on that 350, so the heads are done already. This engine is, it's gonna be a stage 1 head. So, let me slice this open here. Oh, they got it in here, but ah, voila, is this it? Woo! Doggy. Yes, sir, yes, sir. All right, so they sent me new head bolts, instructions. Little grommet for the PVC valve. Wow. This is it, guys. This is what I've been waiting on. So, wow. Alright. Man. Looks like I'm scared to pull it out. Hold on. Let me come in. Woo! Let me tell you. Alright. Alright, so let me move this. Get this box up out of here. I'm gonna come in and show you this bad boy. Alright, so I'm gonna pull this off the plastic here. So I'm trying to make sure, guys, that this is the one that I'm looking for, because I want to put a regular Rochester carb on here. I'm not putting aftermarket carb, I'm putting a Quadrijet. Okay, application, Quadrijet applications. That's what I wanted to see. So they sell a choke and some other stuff. I think I bought some of this stuff already. I got the grommet. I might have to order some other stuff, but guys, come on, let me come in and show you this bad boy. 350, guys, intake. Been waiting on that. The showstopper, oh man, I'm in the middle of the 70 Wildcat pulling the frame and doing all of that. And I don't know how long it's gonna take the guy to rebuild the engine for me, but I'm hoping it go pretty quick, and man, maybe next summer I can finally get the new engine in there and get the showstopper on the road. So I notice here it has nothing for a choke, so I will be putting an electric choke on here. I think I already bought that too, but wow, yeah, man, I'm geek, guys, I'm telling you. I love it. All right, let me come and show you this intake. All right, guys, so I'm gonna paint this baby up. But this is the stage 1, the 350 intake. I've been waiting on this intake quite a few years now. And wow, they finally got it done. Finally got it done here, guys. 350 intake. So TA stage 1. Wow, I finally got it, guys. So I'm hoping this is the right one though, because I know I think they made 2 different ones. And I want the one where I can use my regular breather and everything, and it's still gonna clear. It's still gonna clear. Wow, I don't know. See, look. Guess that's the way that's supposed to be built. But wow. Let's see, guys. That look right? That's up higher than, I don't know. Been waiting on it a long time. I'm just hoping everything is right on this one. All right. All right, guys. I ain't gonna know till I get it to the engine builder and they let me know what's going on with this baby. If not, I'm gonna have a regular intake ready, and you know, I'm gonna be a little critical here because this side seems machined pretty good there. This side don't look the best, guys. That don't look right. That don't look good right there. So I know the one guy retired and the new people took over. But it is, the valve covers will be here. And wow, I don't like how that looked though. Now make sure this is the right one. I might just sand this down some to make it look better. And yeah, I'm kind of critical, guys, but yeah, that's, I don't know if you can see that, guys. I don't like that. I don't like that. So I'm gonna call them about it and see what they say. But you know, because when you get to seeing stuff like this, then you make you wonder what else is going on with it. Let me set the camera down, turn this thing over, just really inspect this thing. All right, so all the main surfaces, this look like it's machined really good. It's got that on all four sides. The little indentation there. But everything else look like it's machined really good on here. So I guess, like I say, the only complaint that I see is that one lip. And I guess I could live with that. It's machined out. Just showing you here, guys, how this looks here. So maybe the engine guy polished this up some. This side looks the same way. Got a lip right there though. But maybe it's a lip right there. So maybe the machine guy open this up some and do what he need to do, or leave it the way it is. But yeah. All right, guys. So, but that one lip, that's the only thing that I see that I'm really not pleased with this so far. And then just making sure that this is supposed to have that slight, you know, this is offset here. So I'm gonna put a level on there. I just wonder why they have that like that, guys. If anybody know, put in the comment section, you know, what do you think there? You know, TA Performance. All right.